Protecting hospital healthcare workers remains critically important as they come into contact with COVID-19 patients. Some doctors taking matters into their own hands. Bob Jones shows us this extra layer of protection.
Summa Health is currently treating 34 people with the coronavirus. Protecting the healthcare workers caring for those patients remains critical.
This virus tends to be particularly lethal. And so we're rethinking everything that we do on a regular basis and asking ourselves, is that enough?
Dr. Eric Espino believes more protection is needed when a patient has to be intubated, a process of inserting a breathing tube before connecting to a ventilator.
It's possible that the patient can cough and that mucus can be airborne. Now, I'm wearing protective equipment, but it's still possible that it could get underneath.
Espino read about an intubation box used in Asia during the pandemic, so he and two other Summa doctors began designing their own box.
It's placed over the patient. We have these disposable sleeves that allow us to introduce instruments through here that will continue to keep us protected as we work.
Dr. Espino reached out to two Ohio companies, including Ultratech Machinery in Cuyahoga Falls, asking if they could make a bunch of the boxes.
50 employees in that company all volunteered to step in and came in and manufactured them.
So far, 100 of the boxes have been built, many sent to hospitals all over Northeast Ohio.
It keeps the healthcare worker as well as surrounding equipment and the environment relatively clean.
Other barriers were shipped to the Ohio National Guard and will be delivered to other hospitals as needed.
We wanted to get these in the hands of our frontline workers as soon as possible.
The doctors also came up with the idea to modify surgical booties to make the sleeves, another example of medical ingenuity and out-of-the-box thinking, used to keep our frontline workers safe during an uncertain time.
But this is the largest scale effort that we know of, and simply because we have a great community here in Northeast Ohio.
In Akron, Bob Jones, News 5.